Hello friends, this is Ramneek Singh and welcome to session 6 of Robotics and Embedded Systems. Today we learn how to make a header file. Now these will be just some basics. Now file sample code for a header file is hash if ndef underscore file underscore name underscore h underscore. Now the exact name of the header file would be filename.h, but while entering you would enter it as underscore file underscore name underscore h underscore. Okay. Then the next line is hash define underscore file underscore name underscore h underscore, and then you write the body of the header file, and then you'll write hash endif at the end. Now, the code above is analogous to if macro not defined, then define macro, process the header body, and end if. Now, first of all, you need to know that hash if endef and hash define are macros used here, and hash endif is just used to end the hash if or hash if n. Okay, so a macro is a fragment of code which has been given a name. Like in the above code, the entire body has been given a single name, that is filename.h, and it has been defined by hash define. So whenever the name is used, that is filename.h is used, it is replaced by the contents of the macro. That is, the entire header file is replaced by a single name, that is the header file name. So one example is if we declare hash define pi and then we write 3.14 as the value of pi, then every time you use the keyword pi, it will be replaced by 3.14. So in the above syntax, the file name, that is underscore file underscore name underscore, must be a unique name. That is, two header files must not have the same name. Otherwise, there will be some ambiguity. Okay, now you need to know that hash if and def and hash if def are intended to prevent multiple inclusion of a single header file. That is, you don't want a single header file to be included multiple times by the compiler. Otherwise, it would be very cumbersome. Plus, it would also slow down the compilation process. So you want a single header file to be included just once. Okay, so what does these macros do exactly? Hash if and def means if not defined. That is, if a header file with the name file name, which I have declared above, is already included in a program, then it will not be included again. And similarly, hash if def means that if something is included, then again included. That means you can include it multiple times in a single program. And hash define is used so that the entire body of the header file can be called using the single name, that is file name. Now just take care of one thing, that hash if and def is used to prevent multiple inclusions. Hash define is used to call the body of the header file by a single file name, and hash endif is used so that the compiler comes to know when the end of a header file comes. Okay, the hash endif command tells the compiler that it has approached the end of file. So these were some basics of a header file, and you need to know them because all these three commands, these three macros, hash if endif, hash define, and hash endif, will be used in almost every header file that you are using or you will be using or you will be creating by yourself. So you can contact us if you have any problem. This was all for today, friends. Next time I'll show you a real header file and I'll explain you how it was made. Thank you.